Hello, this is Al from Open Source Channel, and welcome again for another episode. Today I'm going to do a little bit something different. I got here a copy of WordPress. That's the latest version, and I'm going to show you how to install templates and plugins. The easy way and a little bit more difficult way, but just in case something goes wrong, you know exactly how to do it. Don't forget to share my videos and like it if you like it. You can follow me on Twitter as well, Google Plus. And anyway, let's start. This is, as I said, the latest version of WordPress. Let's go to the admin side of it. Before I start, I'd like to show you a little bit around. This is the basics that I start my websites. The first thing I'm going to have is Google Authenticator. That's two-step. Then I got security, wall fence, although this is not activated at the moment, and I got WordPress SEO. And this is my basics. Now, I'm not going to go in details, but I would like to go on details just on the Google Authenticator. You can download this free plugin, and also if you got an Android phone or tablet or even iOS, you can download a free app. As you can see here, it actually gives you every so many seconds a new code. Let me show you exactly what I mean. Now if I log off here, even with the login and the password or username and password, I won't be able to log in. Right, let me go back again. As you can see, it let me go straight to the main page. Now if I go /WP admin to log in as an administrator, you will see that it will let me go in. It's asking me for Google Authenticator, so it doesn't matter. What I'm trying to say is you don't just need this, you need also a code. Now the code change every 15-20 seconds. On my phone it looks like every 15 seconds. So it's nearly finished now, so I'm going to wait a few seconds and I'm going to add the code. It's a 6-number code. In this case it's going to be 264179. Now you're going to think, wait a minute, you show you the code. Yeah, it changes every, as I said, every 15 seconds. So once you logged in, you need a totally different code. This will not work again. So let's see, here we go, we're back. Now, as I said, we're going to see how to install templates. I'm going to click on dims or templates, although it doesn't say templates. This is what I got installed. Now the latest one I think is 2015. Then I got 13, 14, 15, or actually 10, 13, 15, 11, 14. Now there are many ways. I'm going to show you the first way. I'm going to click add new, and you actually now I'm having problem with this server that I usually use. It's a free server, so bear with me. I need to refresh a few times before I can get to to the page. Here we go. As you can see here, there are loads of them. Some are free, some are just about free, and then you can just buy if you want to the premium version of it. Now this is what comes up. This is the featured. Then we go to popular ones, the latest, and you can actually search for it. I'm going to search for something called responsive. And there we go all the responsive here. Now, how to install it? It's very simple. Let's say we like this one here. All you need to do is just click install. Once it has been installed, you just click activate. You can live preview it or just activate. I'm going to activate it. Now when I'm going to refresh the page, there we go, we got a brand new template installed. This is the easy way. Now sometimes let's go for here. You can actually download from other places. In this case, I'm going to download it from wordpress.org. And let's say I'm going to download this one here. And I'm going to save the file on my desktop. I'm going to show this one here. Open continue folders. I'm going to leave it here. Let's see, I'm going to leave it here. I'm going to copy that. Now I'm going back to add new. And I'm going to click this time on upload. Click on browse. Double click and I'm going to wait a few seconds. Now I might have a error. As I said, I'm having a problem with this free server that I usually use for tutorials. See how it goes. Hopefully it will work. What it's doing at the moment is uploading the file, extracting the file, and what another thing is going to do is copying the actual folder with all the files to the right directory. Now let's see, I'm going to refresh this for a second because it looks like the server is not responding. Go back on Teams and there we go, we got the analytical light, and I'm going to activate. Once that's been done, very simple, just press on activate and there we go. Now when I'm going to refresh this page again, you get a brand new website. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going back here and I'm going to activate this again. Let me show you a totally different way. Then I'm going back on this, dim details, and I'm going to delete it. Now as you can see, the actual template has disappeared. Now let me show you another way to install it. As you know, this is the file I have downloaded. Now I'm going to extract the content in the folder. I'm going to double click on this one. And here is the content. But here, let me show you, this directory with all the files. The next step is to upload this via your FTP program. In this case, I'm going to use FileZilla. I'm going to log into my server. I'm going to click on WP content. Right. double the content as I said before, click on themes or themes. As you can see here, they're all there. Now what I'm going to do is upload this file to the server and wait. I'm going to do this in real time, see how fast it goes, otherwise I'm going to pause for a second. Now it looks like it's going to take a little bit more time than I thought, so I'm going to pause the video only a few seconds. There we go, that's been uploaded. As you can see here, there's the folder. I'm going to minimize that, going back to the browser. Now if I go back, let's say I go to customize first. Well, I couldn't press anything really, that's not important. Press on that again. Here we go, back again, the same error. This is something, don't worry, it will not happen to you, it only happens to me. As I said before, I'm having a problem with this server. So here we go, this is the actual template that I have uploaded. So as you can see, that is another way of doing it. I'm going to activate it, and once it's been activated, that will be the actual website. Okay, now it says here it's an error there. I know exactly what it is. The file has not been uploaded properly, but don't worry, it will work. Now next step is going to be plugins. Now as I said, this is the basics that I use. As like the templates, to install the plugins, you do exactly the same thing. Press add new. This is the features, popular, recommended, and favorites. Let's say I want to install contact form. All you need to do is just press install now. Are you sure you want to install the plugins? Press OK and just wait. Once has been uploaded, installed, you can activate it here by clicking activate plugin. And as you can see, the contact form has been installed. You can press on settings and you can edit anything you need here, where you can actually do add new forms. I think choose the language, if I can find English. Well, I can't find English, but anyway, just add new. Oh, it says on the top, sorry there guys, or any other language. Here we go. This is the form, mail, add all your details. Although this is not to show how to use the plugins, but just how to install it. And as I showed on the way I install the templates, you do exactly the same thing with plugins. Let's say I want, you can actually search for it. So as I did for the templates, we're going to download the plugin. I'm going to download this one, dim check, and I'm going to save it on the desktop. Now to install it, it's very simple as you did with the template. Add new, upload plugin. I'm going to browse, dim check, install, and just wait. I'm going to activate the plugin. And as you can see here, dim checks there. I'm going to deactivate again. I'm going to delete it. Yes, delete the files. Go plugins again. Here we go. It's not there. Now, as you did with the templates, I'm going to connect on that. I'm going to WordPress yes, WP content. Double click on plugins. Here you got all the folders. As you can see, we got this one here. And we're going to extract, and there we go. This is the files, this is the folder, and as I did before, I'm going to upload it. There are only 53 files, so it shouldn't take long. Yes. Again, you shouldn't get the same error as I done it before. This is a tutorial, so you won't get it. That was an error anyway. Just if I want to overwrite the files, the actual folder was already there, so I had to overwrite it. So I'm going to minimize that, go back to the browser. As you can see, it's not there. I'm going to click again, install plugins, refresh the page, and as you can see, then check is here again. I can activate it, and that's it. Now this is the easy way. Now a lot of people tells me what is the best way to find the templates. Now, to be honest with you, there are many thousands of templates that are free of charge. Now, believe it or not, many years ago you would find nice templates on WordPress, even when you were searching through the system here. But now you find loads of them, and to be honest, there are many of them are really nice. Again, they are free, and some of them you got to pay for it. Now, if I go and search for premium, for example, I don't know if it will show. I don't know if it will show the prices here, but some of them will show you that if you want to buy a good one, you got to pay for it. Now, as you can see, this is not bad at all. It depends on what you're doing. But anyway, going back to what I was saying, what you can do is just do a search. Free WordPress themes, for example. And there are, a lot of them, 33 responsive stunning WordPress templates. This is Interstellar. Let's see the demonstration. And look, this is pretty good, and it's free. All you need to do is just download. Free download. Logically here they want us to be part of the viewers. They want us to subscribe. Let's see if we can find something without customize. I think they're all the same. Download. That's it. That's a good one. There we go. We got customize today. That's the one. Let's go back to our. Where did we go? Where did we go here? Okay, let's go through this way now. Let's go to appearance template there for names. Add new. Upload. And there we go, customizer. Now, before I do that, actually, let's go to downloads and let's have a look customizer. Sometimes sometimes you can't do it. It comes with different way. You need to extract it first, but in this case, yes, is correct. And I'm going to press install now. Don't forget, for any problems, you can go to wordpress.org and check their forums. You'll find a loads of information on how to do this as well, just in case you get any problems. So anyway, this time as installed it correctly. I'm going to activate, and once activated, as you can see, is there. Go to do revive, open a new tab, and now we should see the new website. Here we go. This is the new template. Now most of them comes with customizations, so I'm going to click on customizer first and see what happens. So that's the about. I'm going to customize. You can have blue screen, skin, or green, gray, and you can actually save and publish. Front page, you can have the logo, favicon, the way you want to see the comment pages, social links if you have them, Google Plus, Facebook, Twitter, and so on and so forth. Here we go. Thanks again for looking to my tutorials and follow me for this new one. Don't forget you can follow me on my website, Google Plus, Twitter, website. Please share it. Thank you again and again. Let me remind you, if anybody knows where I can find cheap VPS, or if anybody wants to donate VPS just for training purpose, I'll be glad to advertise the company on each video that I do. Thanks again, and I'll see you next time.